Yes.
As a court, please, my lord, the state asks that the previous witness, Captain Nailana, be recalled. This witness is going to testify in respect of Exhibit GG1. Exhibit GG1 are the photos that were taken during the printings out of accused number 1. my lord. The witness is carrying an injury, my lord, will request that he testify whilst sitting.
Okay. What type of injury?
He's undergone an operation in his leg, in his foot, actually.
Oh, okay. Does he play football?
No, he was stabbed by a toothpick. He stepped over a toothpick.
Is it?
Yes.
Sure. Yeah, they say you're carrying an injury, you're permitted to sit down if you want to.
Okay. My lord. Thanks. English. Yes.
You have given evidence in this court.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, you're still under oath, the same oath you took the first time. Okay?
That's correct, my lord.
Captain Nailana, you've already given evidence during the trial, within a trial, on the 9th of November 2023. Is that correct?
That is correct, my lord.
Iqiniso ukuthi usophane ngobufakazi bakho nyakenye uthi yebo.
And your evidence appears on page 37 and further of the record of the 9th of November 2023.
That is correct.
Futhi iqiniso ukuthi ubufakazi bakho uphene ngabo nyakenye uthi yebo.
Do you confirm your evidence that you gave during the trial within a trial?
I confirm, my lord.
Uyavuma ubufakazi bakho ophene ngabo ngalesiya sigaba se trial within a trial uthi yebo ngisavumelana nabo.
You testify that you are a captain attached to the Directorate Priority Crime Investigation Unit and attached to serious corruption. Is that correct?
It's correct, my lord.
Ushilo futhi wena ukuthi ukapteni futhi wena ubekwe emacaleni ukuthi wayekade kwamele kusetshenzwe kuwona ukuthi ahambiselana nokuthi amacala abucayi uthi yebo.
And your career history appears on page 38 to 39 of the record. You confirm that?
That is confirmed, my lord.
Bese soshilo nokuthi umsebenzi wakho wena wawukade uyenza uyini uthi yebo iqiniso.
You testify that on the 5th of June 2020, you were on duty and you reported at Alberton Police Station.
That is correct, my lord.
Ushilo ukuthi nge5 zika June wawukade usemsebenzini uye waya esiphoyiseni sase Alberton thiqiniso.
And just can you place on record what was the purpose of you proceeding to Alberton Police Station?
My lord, the purpose was to assist in the pointing out.
Isizathu sokuthi uye esiphoyiseni sase Alberton kwakade kuyini uthi kwakade kuyo siza ngokukhomba.
Thank you. And what was your role?
My role was to be the driver, my lord.
indima yakho kwakade kuyini uthi ukuba umshayeli
You have already referred to the relevant photos 8 up to 13 of Exhibit G1.
It's correct, my lord.
ukhulumile ngeyithombe eyikuthi zokubufakazi uthi yebo.
Can you just place on record how were you seated in the vehicle?
In the vehicle, my lord, I was the driver.
Ake usazise ukuthi kuleya moto wena wawukade uhleli kuphi uthi ngangade ngingumshayeli.
Yes.
And Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe was sitting as my passenger in the front.
Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe wayekade ehleli ngakwesandla sesinxele njengomuntu obekade ekhona emotweni ipassenger.
And the accused person was placed at the back behind Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe.
Umangalelwa yena wabekwa emuva ngasemva kuka Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe.
Yes, can you just place his name again on record?
The accused was Muzaukelelwa Themba Sibia.
Igama lakhe kwakade kubani uthi Muzika ukhulelwa Themba Sibia.
Yes, what happened then?
Before we could proceed, the accused informed Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe that he cannot be able to take us from Alberton to Vosloorus as he's not familiar with the place.
Ngaphambi kokuthi singaqhubeka umsolwa uye wathi ngeke akwazi ukusithatha asibeke eVosloorus ngoba akayazi le ndawo.
He explained to Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe that once we are at Vosloorus, he can be able to take us to the place that need to be pointed out.
Watshela uLieutenant Colonel Khadebe ukuthi uma sifika eVosloorus uzokwazi ukuthi asibonise le ndawo ayokhomba kuyo.
That is when then I drove out of Alberton SAPS and proceeded to Vosloorus.
Kula mina ngiye ngashayela imoto ukuyosuka esiphoyiseni sase Alberton ngaqhubeka ngaya eVosloorus.
Just a minute. Yes.
When we arrived at Vosloorus at the entrance, I informed Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe that we were indeed at the entrance of Vosloorus.
Masifika eVosloorus la kungenwa khona ngatshela ke uLieutenant Colonel Khadebe ukuthi sesifikile eVosloorus.
Colonel Khadebe then engaged the accused.
uColonel Khadebe wakhuluma naye umsolwa
He explained to him that he must give him the direction.
wamtshela ukuthi usongasazisa ukuthi kuyiwaphi.
And then Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe will tell me where to turn.
uLieutenant Colonel Khadebe sekazongitshela mina ukuthi kwamele ngijike kuphi.
Indeed, the accused did start give direction.
Kunjalo ummangalelwa waqala esitshela ukuthi sihambe ngakuphi.
And I will drive according to instructions that he was giving to Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe.
Mina ke ngangade ngishayela imoto ukuya ngalendlela wayekade etshela uLieutenant Colonel Khadebe ngayo.
Just a minute. Yes.
From the direction that we took, we arrived at a certain house.
Kusuka kulendlela lesithathile sifike endlini ethize.
The accused informed Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe that we can stop.
Umsolwa watshela uLieutenant Colonel Khadebe ukuthi singama.
Then Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe instructed me to stop.
Wangitshela ke uLieutenant Colonel Khadebe ukuthi ngimise imoto.
And they got out
Baphuma
and did the pointing out,
bakhomba.
which the photographer was also present,
Umthwebuli weyithombe naye wayekade ekhona
Sergeant Mapakela.
ebekade ku Sergeant Maphakela.
They took
Just,
yeah.
just a minute.
Okay.
Yes.
After the photographer were taken,
ngemva kokuthi kuthathwe iy'thombe
they then came back into the vehicle,
babuyela phakathi emotweni
and Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe instructed me there was another second place that must be pointed out.
uLieutenant Colonel Khadebe wangitshela ukuthi kule ndawo yesibini ekwamele iyokhonjwa.
Just a minute. Just want to show you photo 14 of exhibit GG1. Got a spare copy, my lord, should the court need one.
Okay, yeah, no. It's on our exhibits.
Okay.
Is that so? But you can give me. It's a souvenir.
Refer you to photo 14 of exhibit GG in brackets 1.
Yeah.
Can you just identify that photo?
That is the first pointing out that we were taken to.
Uthi ke isithombe naso ke esesishumenane uthi kula indawo yokuqala la kwasayisiwa khona la kukhonjwe khona.
And photo 15?
Photo 15, that is where the accused Muzi is standing, and this photo was taken.
Kwisithombe sesishumenanhlanu kula umangalelwa umuzi wayekade eme khona isithombe sakhe sathathwa.
Photo 16?
On photo 16, we see again the accused Muzi pointing.
Kwisithombe sesishumenesithupha kula sibona umsolwa futhi umuzi ebekade ekhomba.
Yes, you may proceed.
Yeah, after he has pointed out this place, that is when they got back into the vehicle.
Ngemva kokuthi akhombe lezo indawo kula kuye kwabuyelwa emotweni.
Yes.
He then gave further directions to Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe.
Yena watshela ke uLieutenant Colonel Khadebe kwezinye indawo ukuthi kuhanjwe kanjani.
So who's this now?
The accused,
Uthi lo muntu ubani? Uthi umsolwa.
Yes.
we drive until we arrive at the second spot.
Siye saqhubeka ngashayela imoto kufikela sifika kwindawo yesibini.
And how did you get to that second spot?
The same procedure, that is where he was like giving the instructions to Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe to say 10.
Nifike kanjani kule ndawo le yesibini? Uthi ngalendlela esifike kayo kula indlela yokuqala kula ebekade elibele etshela uLieutenant Colonel Khadebe ukuthi asijikela.
Yes.
Yeah. The accused Muzi then again instructed Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe to say we must stop the vehicle.
Umangalelwa umuzi watshela uLieutenant Colonel Khadebe ukuthi simise imoto.
It was at an open space.
Kwakade kusendaweni evulekile.
Yes.
Yeah, the open space was near the hostels in Vosloorus.
Le ndawo evulekile yayikade ingaseduze kwasehostela yaseVosloorus.
Again, they got out of the vehicle
Baphuma futhi emotweni
to complete the pointing out.
ukuyoqhubeka beqedelela ukukhomba.
Yes.
On that particular spot, photos were also taken.
kuleyo ndawo nakhona kwathwebulwa iy'thombe.
After the photos were taken, they both got back inside the vehicle.
Ngemva kokuthwebulwa lezo y'thombe babuyela bobabini emotweni.
Just want to show you photo 18 of exhibit GG in brackets 1. Can you just identify that photo 18?
Photo 18 is the Toyota Corolla that I was driving, silver in color.
Ake ngikubonise isithombe sesishume nesishiyagalombini uthi imoto iToyota Corolla lebengikade ngiyishayela.
The accused is sitting at the back and the door is opened. That's
Kubonisa umsolwa ehleli emuva emotweni umnyango uvuliwe.
Yes.
that is when he was getting out of the vehicle.
Yingalesikhathi ebekade ephuma emotweni
So that they can finalize the pointing out.
ukuze bangakwazi ukuqedelela ukukhomba.
Yes. Photo 19.
Photo 19, we see the accused Muzi again pointing at the spot.
Kwisithombe sesishume neshaka lolunye kula sibona umsolwa futhi umuzi ekhomba indawo ethize.
Photo 20. Photo 20 is the same photo as photo 19.
Isithombe lesi samashumi amabini siyafana nalesiyana seshume neshaka lolunye.
The accused Muza Okarelwa is again pointing and looking at the cameraman.
Futhi umsolwa umuzi awukhalelwa uyakhomba ubheke umthwebuli weyithombe.
Thank you. And photo 21.
Photo 21, it shows the Toyota Corolla, the state vehicle.
Isithombe lesi samashumi amabini nomuvo uthi sibonisa imoto eToyota Corolla eyombuso.
That is where I parked and I was still inside the vehicle.
Kula ngipake khona ngangikade ngisase phakathi emotweni.
And there in the background,
In the background, we see a small house with some graffiti on it.
Emuva kubonakala ini uthi kubonakala indlu enemidwebo thizeni.
but what are those precincts? Those buildings there at the back?
Those are the hostels.
Yini
My
leyo
lord.
ndawo leyo esemuva ebonakalayo kulesi sithombe uthi ihostel.
Thank you. Then what happened thereafter?
After the pointing out was completed, we got back inside the vehicle.
Ngemva kokukhomba kwenzakeleni uthi ngemva kokukhomba baye babuyela emotweni.
Lieutenant Colonel Hadebe informed me that they have finished their pointing out.
uLieutenant Colonel Hadebe wangasisa ukuthi sebaqedile ukuyokhomba.
Then I drove back to Alberton SAPS.
Ngashayela imoto ukuyofika esiphoyiseni sase Alberton.
There's photo 22.
Photo 22, we see again the state vehicle.
Kwisithombe samashumi amabini nambini sibona imoto yombuso.
We are parked now in the Alberton SAPS.
Sesibhakile ke esiphoyiseni sase Alberton.
And photo 23 and 24.
24, my lord, again is the silver Corolla, that is the state vehicle at Alberton SAPS. And photo 24, that is myself there from the driver's side, and Lieutenant Colonel Hadebe, and the accused as we are bringing back from the pointing out.
Bese ke siyayibona imoto leyana yombuso kwisithombe samashumi amabini nantathu kumashumi amabini nane bese naye uthi uyavela no Lieutenant Colonel Hadebe naye umsolwa beme emotweni.
Okay, if we can just return to 1 foot, photo 17, that's not yet on record.
Photo 17, my lord, is the state vehicle, the silver Corolla.
Kulesi sithombe seshume nesikhombisa imoto yombuso iToyota Corolla ebekade isilver ngombala.
I'm inside the vehicle and the registration number is visible.
Ngiphakathi emotweni ne-number plate iyakhona iyabonakala.
Yes, and where is this location?
It's in Vosloorus, my lord.
Kukuphi lapho uthi kuse Vosloorus?
Yes, where?
Yeah, my lord, that is the parking that I parked when they were doing the pointing out.
Kuphi uthi kula ngipake khona imoto ngalesikhathi beyokhomba.
There's a structure between the two walls. Can you just place on record what is that structure?
That is the electric box, my lord.
Uthi kunento phakathi kwalamabonda amabini uthi ibhokisi logesi.
And the two walls, the first one on the left of the photo, what type of wall is it?
We see a wall that is plastered, not painted. And then on the right, we will see that there is what we call the first brick.
Manje ke
Decorated.
akusichazisele ngalamabonda lawa abonakalayo uthi ibonda lokuqala lalikade liplasteriwe lingapendwanga, elesibini ibonda ele face brick.
Thank you. Is there anything else you want to add?
No, my lord.
Khona enye into futhi ofuna ukuyigcwalisela uthi cha Nkosi yenkantolo.
As the kilometer upon return has already been placed on record. You wish to just, for the sake of the record, just place the mileage upon return on record?
My lord, the mileage will be on photo 25, however, it's not visible on the picture.
Uthi ke ungasazisa amakhilometha ngemva kokuthi nibuye uthi amakhilometha akwisithombe se-25 kodwa awabonakali kahle.
Okay, it's already on record, but if you can just going to give you copy of exhibit GG, the contents out, if you can just put that on record.
My lord, the return kilos will be 80690.
Uthi ke nawa ngingibonise wona lamakhilometha uthi uma sibuya imoto amakhilometha wayekade engu 80690.
And upon departure,
Ngalesikhathi nihamba wayekade thina amakhilometha
It was 80652.
wayekade ku 80652.
thank you, my lord. That is all.
Yes, Mr. Mgomezi.